ERC20 is a common format for new coin and token development. It was proposed by Fabian Vogelsteller, one of the developers of the Ethereum Foundation, in late 2015. The proposal was accepted and became a standard in March of 2016. An ERC20 token is any token that follows the ERC20 standard. This standard defines a set of rules the tokens must follow in order to be considered ERC20 compliant. These rules include things like how the token is transferred and how it interacts with other contracts on the Ethereum network. One of the main benefits of using ERC20 tokens is that they are supported by a wide range of wallets and exchanges. This makes them easy to buy, sell, and trade. Additionally, because there is such a large community supporting ERC20 tokens, developers can create new products and services that use these tokens. There are a few different ways to buy an ERC20 token. The most common method is to purchase them on an exchange. However, you can also buy them directly from other people through peer-to-peer marketplaces or earn them by participating in airdrops. The best way to store your ERC20 tokens is in an Ethereum wallet. This type of wallet supports all ERC20 tokens and allows you to easily send and receive payments. There are a wide variety of Ethereum wallets available, so be sure to choose one that meets your needs. As of August 2021, there are over 442,000 ERC20 tokens in existence. This number is constantly increasing as more and more projects launch their own ERC20 tokens. Some of the popular ERC20 tokens include Tether, Chainlink, Binance Coin, USD Coin, Wrapped Bitcoin, DAI, and many more. ERC20 tokens are a popular type of cryptocurrency that can be used in a variety of different ways. If you're interested in buying, selling, or trading these tokens, be sure to do your research and choose a reputable exchange or marketplace. Additionally, if you're looking to create your own ERC20 token, there are a few different methods you can use. Token creation platforms such as Token Factory or My Ether Wallet make it easy to create and manage your own tokens without any coding experience. Alternatively, you can also code your own ERC20 token from scratch. However, this method is only recommended for experienced developers. We hope you enjoyed watching the video. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on crypto and stocks.